KTM Adventure 390 Best First Motorcycle for Beginners. The world of motorcycling offers a unique blend of adventure, freedom, and a profound connection to the open road. For beginners entering this exciting realm, the choice of their first motorcycle is a pivotal moment. The KTM Adventure 390, with its fusion of accessible power, versatile capabilities, and rider-friendly attributes, stands out as an exceptional choice for novice riders. With its balanced performance, rugged design, and beginner-focused features, the Adventure 390 presents an ideal platform for beginners to embark on a journey of skill development, excitement, and exploration. Balanced performance and approachable power. The heart of the KTM Adventure 390 beats with a refined 373cc single-cylinder engine that offers a harmonious blend of power and manageability. This engine delivers a smooth and responsive performance, allowing beginners to experience the thrill of adventure riding with confidence. Rugged design and versatile aesthetics. The Adventure 390 boasts a rugged and versatile design that reflects KTM's commitment to off-road exploration. Its robust lines, adventure-oriented form, and dynamic styling elements embody the spirit of versatility and excitement that resonates with riders seeking adventure beyond the pavement. Novice riders not only experience the thrill of riding but also embrace the spirit of exploration that defines the Adventure 390. Comfortable ergonomics and rider-centric layout. Thoughtfully designed for comfort, the Adventure 390 offers an ergonomic riding position that ensures rider comfort during both on-road journeys and off-road escapades. The upright posture, well-positioned handlebars, and foot pegs contribute to a rider-centric setup that enhances the overall riding experience. Agile handling and off-road capabilities. The KTM Adventure 390 is celebrated for its agile handling and off-road capabilities, making it an ideal choice for novice adventure riders. Its lightweight chassis and responsive characteristics empower riders to confidently tackle diverse terrains, from city streets to rugged trails. Safety features and learning confidence. Safety remains a priority, especially for beginner riders venturing into adventurous terrain. The Adventure 390 often comes equipped with features like optional ABS, anti-lock braking system, enhancing braking control and stability. These safety features instill confidence in novices as they master the motorcycle's performance both on and off the road. Urban exploration and off-road excursions. The Adventure 390's versatility extends beyond city streets. Novice riders can seamlessly transition between urban exploration and venturing off-road, all while relishing the motorcycle's adaptable and thrilling performance. Community and rider connection. Enthusiasts of the KTM brand create a tight-knit community that warmly welcomes beginners. Becoming a part of this community offers novices access to shared experiences, valuable insights, and connections with fellow riders who share a passion for adventure riding and the Adventure 390's versatile attributes. Skill growth and riding mastery. The KTM Adventure 390 encourages skill development as beginners build confidence. Riders can progressively explore the motorcycle's capabilities, refine their riding techniques, and fully immerse themselves in the world of adventure riding. Long-term riding satisfaction. The KTM Adventure 390 isn't just an entry point, it's a companion for the rider's journey ahead. Its adaptable performance, rugged design, and brand reputation ensure that riders can continue to enjoy the Adventure 390 as they evolve from novices to experienced adventure enthusiasts. Conclusion. The KTM Adventure 390 epitomizes KTM's dedication to delivering an accessible and adventurous introduction to the world of motorcycling for beginners. With its balanced performance, versatile design, and commitment to rider comfort and safety, the Adventure 390 provides an immersive gateway to the excitement of adventure riding. By choosing a KTM Adventure 390, novice riders embark on a journey characterized by growth, skill enhancement, and the embrace of a community that shares their passion for exploration, versatility, and the thrill of conquering new horizons on two wheels.